Check 1 2 1 2. I have no idea if y'all can hear me or not, but give me 1 second. Let me just make sure. Yep. Okay. That's all y'all gonna get. Y'all gonna get this raspy voice, all right? So, in the spirit of DMX, where my traders at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Y'all gonna make me lose my pips up in here? What's going on? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? Um, it's good to be with y'all. It's good to see y'all on here. Honestly, I have not been 100% health wise. I was sick, had the flu. Wifey brought me, a little bit of, I don't know what this is, but that been hitting. Anyways, if you're watching the recording, thank you, wifey. I love you. Thank you so much. All right, so, um, yeah, man. First and foremost, man, first line of business. I just want to congratulate my private student, my brilliant student. One time for the traders, the executioners, you know, the New Yorkers, all right, the trading queens. Versatility is key. Out here, not fighting like a butterfly, but she definitely fast like a bee. You know what I'm saying? Like, big shout outs to you, Queen B, man. Shout outs to you, man. This is the type of woman that literally will be giving birth and still catching pips. Pips. Yo, man, there was a couple people this year that I knew was gonna be hitting that shit out of the park, and I could feel the energy when I had my first psychology um, webinar with my private students this month. And it ain't even the end of the month, and I'm already seeing those people who standing on business. So one time for versatility is key for being top one on the leaderboard and percentages. We not gonna act like that's normal, man. Put some fire on the chat for this queen, man. I don't know what y'all doing, but we leading the disrespect of last night already changing. Cordell, stop playing, man. Cordell is not pushing, man. Listen, anyways, look at Jaquel, man. A beautiful crown. We had the pictures, though. We had the pictures. She was sitting at number one, and she's still top three. All right, still top three. We got Cordell. We got Cody. So shout out to you guys. And the crazy thing is, all USA, all USA. I'm gonna need y'all folks outside the U.S. to step up now. Y'all gonna have to step up. All right, y'all not looking too good. All right, y'all not looking too good, and we want to see y'all look better than that. All right, so I just wanted to do that shout out and get that out the way. Let me check the chat real quick. Let me see how the chat looking. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I will hit the leaderboard this year. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. I can't wait to see more of you guys on the leaderboard. Let me see. What else? What else? I don't trade today. It's cool. They're going to put me back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, take a little foot off the gas. Everybody want to. It be like that, though, Still a GOAT. Still a GOAT. Still a GOAT. All right, man. And it's one thing to hit the leaderboard. It's another to hit it with a 10K account. Sheesh, 12%. Damn. All right. That's that execution mentality. Man, I just want you, if you blasting this from your house right now and your mama's watching Jaquel, man, make sure she watching the replay like 3 times and let her know how much that means to you, how much everybody's proud of you and your community. I can't wait to have the interview. Yeah, that's gonna be another one. That's gonna be another one. Um, you know, look at the higher highs now. All these previous lower lows and the times where people used to laugh or thought you was crazy, right? But look at that. all over the world, live streaming, calling versatility is key. You know what I'm saying? It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. Super proud of you. Super proud of you. Who's next? Who's next? All right. I see. Let me see who else who's on the chat right now. We got Vita. What's up, Vita? We got Rama Pro Trader. Rama Pro Trader. I need to see some pro trading. I need to see. One thing I'm not seeing in the Discord chat is enough profits. What's going on? What's going on, family? What's going on? I'm not seeing. Has everybody just blown their accounts and just lost? Like have we lost the fire? I hope not. All right. So one thing I'm gonna need y'all to do is share the stream everywhere you can. Share the stream everywhere you can. Starting with me, I'm about to literally get on the chat here, and boom, here we go. Let me see. It is 9:22. I'm aware of the time. 9:22 Eastern. All right. I am live on. Look at autocorrect trying to change it to I am alive. I said I am live. Leave my stuff alone. I'm live streaming now. Whew. Man, whew, that gave me some energy. I don't know what the heck was in this cup. Oh. All right. I just felt that, man. I felt it. All right. All right. So, you guys probably wondering why I have these shades on and this hat on. I look fucked up, okay? So I'm just relying on your energy. But the flu and 2 nights of fever is not fun, bro. And I'm not the type of person who usually gets sick, but the weather outside, brutal. All right, so y'all keep me in y'all prayers. But we still ain't stopped pimping though. So how's your new year going, guys? How's your profitability so far? Like, what's going on? If you're not ashamed, because you shouldn't be, so far this year, how many phase ones and phase twos have you blown? Let me see you on the chat. Let me see you on the chat. Let me see that on the chat. Let me see how many of you guys. We need to address the elephants in the room. We need to address the elephants in the room so we can get it out our systems. Oh, yeah, I got to tag everyone. Ugh, oh, my God. Got to tag everyone. Oh, Lord. Yeah. So, all right, damn, the chat is going crazy. Yo, shout out to y'all though. Like, the chat is going crazy. I see Trader. I see Vita, what? Big Ben. Big Ben, okay. What's up, Big Ben? My lips didn't want to say that, but I pushed through. Pause. Yeah, it's really all three of y'all. We can make it happen. It's Captain America, a cup of vibranium doing its magic. Yo, you're the guy you're the funny guy today. I like that. It's going fine and waiting to get funded for phase one, brother, on other prop firm. Okay. Oscar Lopez. Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Giveaway vibes to get it started. Yeah, I know. Giveaway vibes. But I'm not going to lie. I feel like Fortunes is doing too much of the giveaway culture. And most people, just like I thought, are not willing to buy and purchase and invest in themselves. And hey, I get it. Like you might not be able to afford it, but like, but you want payouts, right? You know, like you want payouts, but you're not really contributing to the business. Y'all know I keep it real, so y'all need to be a little more. Um, what's the word? I need to start working on my vocabulary again. It just takes too long now. You guys just need to be, pretty proactive and figuring out your opportunities and being able to like start saving up just to fund your dreams, guys. So uh, I feel like too many people are waiting for handouts, but not doing the work and not looking forward to um, push themselves and figure out how to find the money to do what they need to do. You know, like that's not okay. Y'all need to figure it out. Okay. Yeah, one thing about traders, we gonna figure it out. So make sure y'all keep pushing through to figure it out. All right. So let's get right. People want free money. Yeah, right, right. Let's get to the bottom of things, man, because uh, there are more serious matters to talk about. This market, this market ain't been sweet lately. It never has been, but uh, starting with gold, I remember Wednesday morning, a lot of these candles were just very, very bullish due to early London news for GBPs. And then we had manufacturing PMI. Uh, and then we had Canadian news. But obviously, like the US and the Great Britain pound affects news the hardest in different equities markets. But let's talk about the results of manufacturing PMI. Numbers came out to 50. The anticipation was 47.6. They definitely outperformed that number. They literally came out almost 3 points above what we thought. And I'm gonna tell you what this means. Like if we're looking at November, if we're looking at December, we had 48. The last time we saw those numbers was October, right? Now, there are rumors that this market, the interest rates and not just the interest rates, but like supposedly I thought we're going to like start decreasing um, the hikes, right? And so the numbers that are coming out as far as the PMI, and PMI means Purchasing Managers Index, in case you guys never knew, right? And it's a leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly to market conditions after their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the company's view of the economy. So if the companies view the economy as, yo, shit is not getting less expensive out here, I don't see rate cuts yet. I don't know how they're going to cut rates on the 31st because the first bank came out, Canadian bank came out, they kept the numbers the same. So it's like everybody's like waiting on you, big dog. We're waiting on Papa Powell to see what they do. But if one of the major banks, Canadian banks, did not cut no rates yet and they kept it unchanged, well, I don't think we're changing rates, but we are still feeling the weight of the previous hikes. All right, so and I'm gonna tell you what that means in a second. I'm gonna further what that means in a second. Now, when we go back to when was this? Yeah, the Bank of Japan. Checking out the Bank of Japan. They gave the Outlook report Monday, January 22nd. Why is it that this number's not pulling up? I don't remember what they said because I was clearly sleeping. I hate when they say tentative for a whole entire like day and a half, and so you don't get to know when the news comes out for the Japanese yen. You just know when the liquidity sweep grabs you, and that's when you're like, oh crap, must be news. You know, uh, for what I know, from what I know, I remember looking at GJ, and I was in some GJ cells during London. Right there, right there. No, no, no. Right there, right there. And for some reason, obviously, I wouldn't have figured out that it was still a demand there. But yo, I swear to goodness, I'm gonna show you guys three pictures. 'Cause that's why I like to keep receipts. I'm about to look and look at the top left corner. 4:15 in the morning. I'm in sales. I put my stop loss decently above what? One, two, three 4-hour candles. You get me? All right, 4:15 in the morning. Mind you, I waited after New York market opened. But there was GBP news at 4:30, 15 minutes late. Look, 4:31. Damn, I lost it. 4:31. Man, come on. Come on, computer. All right. 4:31. Candle found the strength of 10 men, 10 WWE wrestlers, and started pushing. I'm like, bro, okay. And notice, guys, I have this arrow showing this particular candle. Don't you hate when the candle is literally like running to the bottom and you blink, you take a bathroom break, you go take a sip of water, and next thing you know, it was the worst thing you could have done in life. And the candle literally runs up. It doesn't even give you any time to do anything. And such is the case lately of what this market has been doing with like all these candles losing volume. And then so by 4:45, the candle blasts to the upside, and I went to sleep after that. I was live. Fuck it. I wake up at 8:40. I remember the last thought I had was like, I should probably take this trade right here because I was thinking, you know what? This is a huge bullish candle. I'm not sure if it's shifting the zone really. I think this is a manipulation to go search for liquidity, and they were actually going above the previous uh, New York highs and towards some fair value gap. But the way they did it, I'm like, damn, that's a lot of bro. 187.52, one freaking candle pushed all the way up to 188.34. That's why trading news is very, 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 very dangerous. You know, even if sometimes you know exactly what's about to happen, you just never know. Uh, I just found that to be super crazy, and that was just one of the things I wanted to show you guys. All right, so anybody can relate. All right, the next thing I want to tell y'all is like even though this happened, right? You're looking at GJ now. You're looking at GJ now, and all this is happening. It's still a lot going on. Still a lot going on. Then somebody asked me about gold yesterday, and Siobhan, it's okay, you're late, right on time. The candle wicking is getting really outrageous. That's why I can have this conversation and not worry Because sometimes you might even be in these trades and hey, bro, the market's moving, and then the market's like, hey, give me that stop loss. Yeah, where you going? Turn around, give me that stop loss. Like bend over, let me get that stop loss. Yeah, it's getting crazy out here, man. Folks out here, hey, watch out, stay protected out here. All right, and I can understand why a lot of phase ones and phase twos and even a live account is getting taken out because there's a lot of manipulation and nasty wicks going on here. So I empathize with you guys. All right. So I remember looking at gold pushing to the upside as well. And I'm like, oh, wow, well, I guess in that moment I said to myself, oh, I guess they found demand here or somewhere. And then I noticed that the high of the week couldn't get breached. So when I'm looking at Forex Factory and the USD news came out that flash manufacturing PMI came out very strongly positive, right? Well, a positive USD PMI that's really this strong means we're either gonna get, well, we're definitely not gonna see rate hikes for the US dollar come FOMC. I'm definitely saying today, what is today? The 25th of January, 6 days from now, come back to this. We are not going to see no rate hikes. We're going to see the same unchanged results come out no matter what Jerome Powell yaps for 45 minutes, okay? There's going to be some manipulation, and let me tell you what that means. Gold, since we failed to swing higher than this point, still is on a bearish structure internally to me. And there's still a lot of liquidity here. Shout out to my brother Mel. We've talked about this already, right? There's still some liquidity down here, at least at the 2000s. That's one. All right? But be careful, guys. They be finding liquidity out of left field, imbalance out of nowhere, and then just taking it up. So, like, the areas are dumb sensitive. The areas are super sensitive. But a strong dollar means a strong USD CAD. A strong USD CAD. And a strong dollar means a bearish gold. But an unchanged bias for FOMC, is that a bearish indices market, or is that a continuation of a bullish and strong market? Let me see what your answers are in the chat. What do you guys notice when Jerome Powell comes out and the numbers come out and what was forecasted ends up being the same? What ends up happening? What ends up happening? What do y'all notice? Do y'all notice indices sell off or what? What usually happens? I know y'all don't be back testing because I ain't seen the answers here. I know Mel already knows. You feel me? We trying to see if y'all know. See? Mel didn't even, bruh. Didn't even take too long. All right? Where's the answers? What are the answers? Or y'all just waiting for me to say giveaway? Y'all came here for knowledge, or y'all came for the giveaway? What y'all? What? Be honest with me. What y'all came here for? Putting my phone on silent. I knew it. I knew it. Trading mode on. All right. Okay. Yes, sir. Jaquel, I see you. What up, SB? Got my little bro in the house. Sniper SB, don't play with that, man. Okay, so if we go back in time, let's go to the 31st here. Let's go in the future first. Don't forget, Wednesday, January 31st, FOMC statement. For those of y'all who be like, yo, can you break down like fundamentals? Well, you better pull up to this live because I'm breaking it down right now. All right. So the last time fundamental news came out, FOMC, I was in Puerto Rico. It was my brother's birthday, December 13th, right there. So I remember Papa Powell came in. Well, hello everybody. You know, it's Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. Well, you know, oh, we're just gonna follow with our order of operations, and then the market's like, I'm like, here we go. I'm not trading. I'm on vacation, right? But I already knew that if the rates remain unchanged, like they've been doing since July of 2023, then that doesn't mean anything for the US 30, which y'all be thinking is bearish when really it's not. Like US 30 will sell off internally to like a very affordable price that they keep manipulating, and and then they'll buy back. So like if we see US 30 selling, make sure y'all look for the strong demand zones, like the last Friday demand zones, like the previous day demand zones, like the last month demand zones, like these zones, because it's just like a trampoline. You're gonna bounce off the trampoline, but you know the more momentum is gonna propel you higher. Okay, so if rates remain unchanged, then that means the market's still going to go bullish, or it's going to still range from all-time highs and between all the imbalances and inefficiencies that are going on. So this is what that means when you're trying to figure out what's going on. Like for instance, yesterday, I took a buy for US 30. Mind you, still sick, but still pipping, right? So what else am I doing better? So rest. What's that? You know, I'm just kidding. I've been resting. Don't ask my wife. But so we took some buys together, me and my students, a couple colleagues, and then US 30 was just like not knowing its full potential for some odd reason when I'm in the trade. I'm like, aren't you the great US 30? Why? Okay, price pushes. Boom. I'm like, here we go. Next candle loses volume. I'm like, yo, this that bro. All right. Okay, I'm choosing to trust my analysis. Man, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. Ain't no trust in your analysis in these crazy markets right now. It's take your money at the highest point of your analysis and secure the money. All right? Secure the money. All right? If price is getting closer to your take profit, do not sacrifice your trade for at the expense of one more point or one more pip or 10 more. No. Like, markets are so like indecisive. Like they'll push crazy at the like look at this candle. The candle pushed, then it ended up right here. Bro, do you know how annoying that is? I mean, can I relate with all y'all here? Like I know y'all feeling what I'm saying because we're all traders. Imagine you get into sniper entry right here. And then the market's pushing, right? You're up 103 points, and you're like, "Yep, it could go to the point of interest." Oh, yesterday's high. It could, but don't forget to close them partials. Don't forget to like make a decision, and don't regret it neither, because like the next candle could have really betrayed your ass, you know. So, and yes, price retraces, and it continued, but like don't hold and lose everything, because that really messes up our psychology. So just be careful. All right. So another thing that happened today is price already sold yesterday, right? We saw a failure swing. The market open price price areas right here, the point of interest right here. And so they couldn't break past the all-time high. So yes, they sold. But I remember I closed my trade very early by 12 because, and I'm glad I did because my entries were like somewhere in here. And this retracement right here could have messed me up. And so the last attempt they tried at like 12:30, bruh, by 1 p.m. messed up. And so I want y'all to know there's there are like different times within the New York session that we have to pay attention to. 9:30, oh everybody knows that. But 10:30, an hour within the session, more liquidity and volume kicks in. And if you are in a trade by 12:30, unless you can tell it's a continuation trade, don't let 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. literally make you feel like you were holding on to a trade for no reason. Okay? Did y'all hear me? That's why I can't afford to be sick. I got too much bars and gems and facts that I gotta drop, man. I'll be like tossing and turning like I gotta talk to the people. I gotta talk to the people. All right? Don't let your analysis paralyze you this time and not taking profit. Don't do it, man. You're gonna be so annoyed, and you're gonna want to take the next trade. You're gonna seek revenge. I know where y'all from. You know, a lot of y'all. You know, y'all some Yoruba demons. Y'all some Caribbean. You know, we. You know, y'all got Vikings blood. You know, like y'all got Zulu tribe blood flow. Y'all hot tempered. You know, like y'all hate. You know, Jamaica. Nobody that I've mentioned here got tempered blood. You know, where y'all from? Let me check the chat real quick. Where y'all from? We got Ghanaians, you know, like everything they eat gotta be spicy as hell. Okay? Bruh. Indians. I stand corrected on that last statement. It's spicy as hell. My brother, you know, you got to add more hot sauce. You know, I got some friends from Delhi. I got some friends from North India. You know, I got people from so many places. And boy, that food, that naan bread, whoo, whoo, what? Mm. I used to have a client who would bring me fresh out the oven naan bread. I and I'm about to work her out. Like I'm about to have her lose every calorie she used to bake that naan bread. And she's like, Hans, we had a great workout. I'm coming back tomorrow. I'm like, you sure? It's gonna be a harder workout tomorrow. No, I love it. I'm like, okay. So I'm gonna. You want more bread and hummus? I have a secret recipe that I never told nobody. I'm gonna bring it for you, Hans. I'm like, thank you. So, like, shout out to my Indian fam. You guys are all right with me. But all I'm saying is like, be careful out here, man. Like, be selfish. If you are seeing the profits and you love what you're seeing, and it's it's the pips are pipping, secure the profits. Um, Move with swiftness. Don't let people distract you when you're trading. Like I be locking my door sometimes, like, or I'm like, hey, I'm in trading mode right now, because, bruh, and if you gotta leave the house and even walk away from the trading station office space, close the trade or like move the stop loss into profit, bruh, because you see a candle like this, it'll make you really question things. All right. So if you can relate, man, put some fire on the chat. Put some fire on the chat if you can relate. Put some fire on the chat if you can relate. All right. Now let's really get into the nitty gritty. Jamaica in the house, of course. Nigeria in the house. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I felt the energy. I felt the energy. All right. So they don't want you to drop these gems. Versatility is key, dude. Yes, yes. All right, all right, all right. So, I know some of you guys are probably already in these US 30 buys, which is cool, as you should, because here's the thing. Yes, price was selling, and I don't even know why now they're like doing these like beautiful trades in the middle of London. Like, what the heck, right? But price sold off to last Friday's afternoon order block, which is like a very sensitive order block. So now that we can tell like um price pretty much let's see what happened here, right? It was a 645, then boom, pre-market lows, swept, break, retest, took off. And so currently this is a higher low. And so this is the trading range for now. So if price does have volume to give, maybe not right now, maybe by 10:30, I don't know, right? Yeah, but he won't run it anymore for me. So we're already looking at this as a continuation trade. This is already 45 points in the making. If you caught this, good job. Right now I'm a speculator right now. Okay, in case you guys are feeling this FOMO, I'm not. You know, if you're in that thing, good job. All right, but make sure you're managing your trade very well. 953. So I know some of you guys, if it ain't the order block, if it ain't the imbalance or fair value gap, you're not in it. And your weak point is continuation trades. A trade like that, if you're in it, you don't even have to put your stop loss all the way down here. Right below the previous sweep is equally as fine. If you go down to the M3, M5, look, you got to know how to refine. All right. So, boom, price pull back here. And so we have a new floor, right? If at any point price pulls back in here between 11:30 or whatever the case is, I might take the trade, right? Because I can tell where the areas of interest are. And guys, if it's 60 points you're catching and you're up 3K, 6K, or whatever K you're in, make sure you are not just googly eyes and you're making the right decisions out here for the markets. Okay? So, who's in these trades? Let me do a temperature check. Let me do a temperature check. Okay, Morocco in the house. Morocco in the house. I see you. Yo, they out here. Distractions be at all time high. Melly Mel, Melly Mel. Who else? What else? What else? Okay, somebody said I don't trade US 30. Okay, cool. What do you trade? You can't just make statements like that. You gotta add something to it. It's like, I don't trade US 30. However, I trade this. That's called a closed statement. You can't be making closed statements, you know. Which that could be an open statement too, like because you forced me to be like, oh, okay, then what do you trade? So, whatever. Siobhan, what go on? That's B. All right. So, um, one thing about gold lately is like they will test your faith, and most times, if the internal liquidity has been swept, don't try and take sales even though we're in a selling structure, because they like to literally run the shit back to where everybody's stop losses are at. They're engineering like crazy. And so, don't be attached to any positions. If you got to make an executive decision, you just got to do it. All right. So, I hope you guys caught that. Don't be attached to any trade positions. If you got to make an executive decision, do it, because that's the only thing that's going to help your profitability. All right. Don't babysit nothing. If you feel like you got to make a decision, make it. Don't think twice. Just do it. All right. You guys got me? Y'all wanted to hear some gems? So there you go. There you go. Cuz we want to see more activity on these chats. Um it's ridiculous. We're starting to feel like you guys just are giving up on us, Not my people though, but just some of y'all just it just seemed like there's more fire. Be honest. How's 23 starting out for you guys? Trading wise. How's 2023 starting out for you guys? Trading wise. Let me see if I still sound good on the mic. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Damn, they caught my elbow cracking and shit. Damn. Okay, that's good enough. What did I say? 2023? Ah, Jesus. Yeah, y'all know what I mean, man. Y'all know what I appreciate it. So y'all just not gonna answer the question. Y'all just gonna correct me. Last year was not good, bro, for me. All right. How'd you understand where or when volume is about to come? I don't know if that makes sense. Um, of course, news and market open times, right? 9:30 Eastern time is obviously equities market open. It's gonna be a lot of volume. It's like big hedge funds, institutions are like putting in their positions in, but like that's typically where we see the volume coming in. But one thing I can never tell is like when price loses volume, and I'm like, God damn! Like I remember on Martin Luther King Day, this candle right here. See, that's why I chose God, because I even be pointing out the candle that did me wrong. Can you imagine if I was out in these streets? Yeah, it's him. You're dead. You're grits. God, don't forget a face, let alone a candle. you you take that information as you see fit. All right. You're impatient. Why are you impatient, bro? I feel like a lot of you guys, and I think it's because one, you're still sticking to the MLM mentors that used to like run the show. Two, you don't study your setups enough to know and typically how long your setups last. So you don't you need to. Who who would like for me to do a session on whole time psychology only? Like whole time psychology on certain setups and time frames and stuff like that, and like how long to hold certain trades. How many of you guys would like for me to do a psychology like that? It's not your natural trait, bro. If somebody, if, if you're working somewhere and you get paid every 2 weeks, don't you be forcing yourself to wait for that paycheck every week, every 2 weeks? Okay, if your wife tells you, "Hey, tomorrow," okay, what you gonna do? You gonna have to wait for her. Like, if you know you don't have the money right now and you need something, you're gonna have to wait. Life shows us the easy way and the hard way how to wait. And good things come to those who wait. And so it's not a natural trait, bro. You just need discipline and control. Compulsiveness is not something that works with trading. Like, if you need to know setups that play in 15 to 30 minutes, it will not always end well because that's such a small window time, right? You need to make sure like your setup, you can trust that a setup that you've back tested enough and have all the data and screenshots and notations to say, like, you know what, every time I see the setup, at least two 30-minute candles or two 15-minute candles, three at most, I get 30 pips. Okay, so you wait on those three candles. Once you see a break and retest, you put that trade in, you put the stop loss, and hey, that's it. You don't have to be impatient, like, unless you have a little bit of entitlement. Like, you expect people to fall in line. You expect everybody, you tell somebody something and they're supposed to do it. So then when you come in and into the market and it's like, oh, it's supposed to do this all the time, you just have this high expectation for it, and that's where we end up like we end up falling short because you ain't no boss of the market. So I just think if you rewire your thoughts and how you see something, like, your perspective can change. It's not a natural trait. Some people change for the better. I really genuinely can tell a killer, bro, that's not your natural trait to be a killer. You just grew up in some crazy environments. Everybody's psychology can change unless you're mentally deranged, right? Everybody's psychology can change. We are humans. We are even mammals know how to, like, change their hunting strategy. You know, even animals. If a cat sees that there's something it fears in the middle of the kitchen. Okay, a dog will see that there's a vacuum in the corner of the kitchen, and that dog will never pass by that vacuum, even on a Sunday when nobody's here. But the dog wasn't usually doing that. But it changed its course due to the circumstances of what he believes to be fear, uncertainty, doubt, or whatever, right? So, like, y'all need to stop embracing certain qualities and calling it as your own when really you just haven't done enough discomfort. You haven't wanted to be, you haven't been embracing the work that it requires to become more patient. You don't like to be in a moment or in a situation of discomfort, so you're more comfortable just saying, "Yeah, I'm impatient." Okay? If you know that this is something that needs to change and it's going to bring you more profitability, it's going to bring you more success, then automatically the human is realizing, yo, you know what? There's a reward at the end of me changing. And, bro, just like that, the human starts to work towards becoming better for that reward because we are reward. Uh, our reward center wires us to do certain things, right? So I just don't. You feel me? Like, I just don't think that's the thing. Like, study your trade setups and look and see how long these setups usually last for. Okay, does that make sense? Every excuse you guys got, bruh, the market doesn't care. That's the next level of me letting y'all know, for real. The market doesn't give a damn. So we're going to war or not? Are we going to war or not? Like that's every day you wake up. Are we going to war or not? Because the market doesn't care if you're ready or not. Because here it comes. You can't hide. It's gonna find your stop loss. You better have better setups. Okay? You better have that patience. It's not easy. Because when the candles start doing like ha ha, you're like, oh shit, yeah. What? You have to have the capacity to understand how to realize the scenario that's in front of you. Sometimes what you need is to reassess the situation and prepare yourself for potential opportunity for the continuation trade. But no, you're so mad between 9 to 10:30, you never knew that there was an opportunity at 11:30 a.m. Right? You're storming out. Then the setup happens an hour and a half later because you weren't patient, you know? So I'm talking about these things because a lot of people here, they don't want to admit it, but it's and I see, like all these interviews that I'm doing and all these, you would think all this content on YouTube now, there'd be more profitable traders. Man, the ratio just moved up by maybe 0.4% in profitability and consistency. Go figure, because humans still battle with the same emotions every day. Every day. So you gotta really practice control when you're a trader, and what helps you is knowing your setups and knowing what works, knowing what doesn't work for you. I can have all this talk because I don't see my setup yet, and I'm not about to overtrade for no reason. Then I gotta deal with the loss, and I gotta do a accountability session with myself. Be like, yo, so what happened here today? All right, well, we took a loss. Why did we take a loss? Oh man, we was impatient. Ah, there it is. Didn't you say that in the last one-on-one you had with yourself? Oh, hey, that's number two, bro. And you say you want to be a seven-figure. Oh, you want to make how much this year? Oh, hey, there's that reward. Do you want it? Like keeping it real with myself. So, like, you can't bullshit yourself out here, guys. You cannot. No matter how many YouTube videos and interviews and, you know, fires you drop in everybody else's, chat and comments, bro, your work has to be your work. Nobody else's. All right? So, if you guys are finding value in what I'm saying, man, go put some fire on this chat. All right? So, what analysis are you guys doing right now, or what trades are you in? This is the part where I'm checking in the Discord. I'm going to see right now what the market discussion is looking like. So if you are on this call right now and you want to be part of the giveaway, start dropping your analysis right now on the market discussion, so I can see what y'all doing. If you are in a trade and you're managing it, please don't participate. I don't want somebody to be like, yo, bro, you told me to go do this, and then, I just, nope. I don't want to hear that shit. All right. I don't want to hear it. All right, so let me check the market discussion on Fortunes Funding. I want to start seeing some analysis. I want to see some trades. I want to see what y'all in. All right. And then another thing is, I be seeing like people just having the craziest days. That's dope. But where them fortunes funding? You know, like shout out to Alex. You know, like Alex Trays. I see a couple more people. I see, Memo. But you would expect to see a lot more phase one and phase two uh, drops here. But no, everybody just be trying to. This is crazy. There we go. I'm not gonna lie, bro. You can only do so much. You can only put so much energy and you know. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! Mm, that's what I'm talking about. Cooking. Mm, reporting live. Oh, boy, it's something. Here we go. Okay, okay. Who's M? The person just wants to be known as M. Okay, M. Let me see. Let me see. GJ. Okay, okay. Looking at GJ. Look at all this crazy price action. Look at GU. What is this? Oh, nah, bruh. This is disrespectful. All right. Okay, so Nas, Nas's buy limit here. I'm pretty sure that just got activated. Let me go check US 30. The US 30 retrace. Okay, US 30 still holding and maintaining. That's good. Yes, sir, was good. Immortal was good. Oh my god. If you dropped an analysis on the chat, let me know it was you. Like let me know your your name here. So I can start like putting things together, like trying to figure out who's who. Like Dow Exchange Taylor. Like if you're on the call, if you're watching this live stream, like I want to see. All right, okay, okay. This is the Dow here. Okay, okay. Oh, hey, this spicy. Who else? Trading Man. What pair is that? Trading Man? Like you trying to hide? You don't want us to be in this trade with you? What pair is that, Trading Man? Oh shit! Whoa! Oh damn! We got a sniper, bruh. We got a sniper. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, trading man. Let's go. Let's go. I gotta show y'all some love. Ah. Oh. Ah. Yo, trading man, you out here killing it, man. Losses and wins still coming back. I like that. Ah, I like that. I like that. I like that. Good stuff. It's Trading Man here. Good morning, Luxon. It's Trading Man here. It's Trading Man. Oh! Trader, you're Trading Man? What? Oh, wow. Okay. Do you have a are you in a challenge right now? Vita. I am her? Oh, snap. Wait, what? Wait. So Trading Man is a her? What is going on? what kind of what kind of what kind of why? Wait, what? Yo, wait, what? So now you're a boy, bro? Oh, I am here. Oh, yo, come on. Ooh, okay, all right, man. Yes, drop some fire for the trading queens, man. Okay, so trading man, do you? Never mind. Uh, forget that part. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. All right. So, God damn. So yeah. So he's a man, guys. False alarm. It's just a typo. Just a typo. God damn. Bro. Anyways, do you have a current challenge with Fortunes Funding that you are in, trading man? That's what I want to know. Out here confusing the whole entire congregation, man. What's going? Yo, I have no idea if it's a man, it's a her. Like, you know what? I'm not about to get canceled here. You feel me? I'm not about to get canceled. So, okay. When's the last time you paid for a challenge, trading man? Euro USD idea already crashed. Who's this? Who are you? The person's name is T. Are you on the live call? Fake outs was crazy, Mel. You saw Woo! All right, so I have won the Forex Funder. I am trading that. Okay. So you just be winning giveaways, huh? You don't buy no challenges? I just need to know because the way it's looking like you just might win one today. So choose wisely in your answers. Okay? Yeah. You had us full trading, man. I'm like, "What? Wait. What kind of sick joke is this?" But all right. Let's check GJ real quick, guys, while we're having fun. Uh, okay, so US 30 literally is taking off, which is good. Great for US 30. That's fine. Finally, it's good to see that shorty finally figured out who she is in life. Anyways, that's expected when last week Fridays' demand gets tapped and they sweep, let's say 6 a.m. Pre market lows and stuff. I expect this to happen. And as I was telling y'all, continuation trades are still a thing. As I had said earlier, like a stop loss right here is more than enough to take a trade like this. And you wait it out 30 minutes, 45 minutes, however is your stamina, your tolerance in holding trades, you get something like this. Get something like this. All right. And sometimes the setups play out. Sometimes the setups don't play out. Sometimes the candles look crazy. And sometimes you got to just give it time to develop. Right? All right. So, oh man. Uh oh. What time is it? I'm starting to get congested again. Uh oh. I'm about to start like Batman. All right. So, as I was saying, guys. Oh, oh. Let me try this out. Justice. Joker, you're mine. Yep. Yep. All right. Is there any specific reason why price been so choppy lately on USD pairs? I don't know. I think I think I think the algorithm is just really choppy because it's really just a lot of computers really trading quant algo, like quantitative algos are what's taking over the markets. Manual trading is really it's like you know how to fish, you know how to hunt, but nowadays there's like corner stores, like it's annoying for real because the choppiness is way too much. Like I thought Q1 is supposed to be the smoothest quarter, but this year we got elections, we got a lot of corruption, you know, we got a lot going on, and one of the things is like people are trying to figure out if February for real is going to be some rate cuts or not. And I don't think it's any rate cuts coming in February. I think, well, January 31st. I think we're just going to remain the same because as I was saying, we could have seen the signs based off of what the manufacturing PMI showed here. It looks like we are even more in deep shit, right? The economy is still stimulated. There's a lot of money. Uh, there's a lot of money going, in fluctuation. So they can't really cut the rates honestly just yet. So they might just keep it unchanged. And so as far as we know, two banks haven't shown that they're gonna cut any rates. Uh, I need to figure something out here. I think I wanted to see the Japanese yen. So, by the way, you guys get to really see the difference between when I'm trading and when I'm speculating. Because if I was actually trading today, you wouldn't see me talk so much about fundamentals and just keeping a cool vibe. You would see me stay quiet, predator mode, and just literally like hawking the market because I don't want to miss a setup. But today, I'm speculating because I'm not necessarily looking to enter a trade unless I see a really good setup. You have to know the difference. But speculating also is making sure you're collecting the data, in Melly Mel's favorite word, to make sure that what you're gathering here is helping you to make sense of what you want to trade and why. Does that make sense, guys? To make to make sense of why you want to take a trade. Most of y'all trade out of desperation. Stop doing that. Stop trading out of desperation. I can't go get a refill, bro. What? This market, you go take a piss, and that's the biggest mistake you made. You know, like, I'm locked in, fam. I can't even go nowhere unless I text somebody to come bring me, some more medicine. But I can't leave, fam. Yeah. Yeah, Melly Mel getting some trades in. Yes, sir. Okay. So, okay, yeah, Vita, let's talk about that part. So yeah, that's where I was getting at. GJ was something serious, bruh. With the JPYs, yeah. At one point, and that's why I was making sure, like, I'm aware of where price is headed. Now, me and Mel, we caught some GJ moves. I know I did. I know some of y'all did too. But what was going on is, like, we were heading to a weekly supply zone from 2015. And so now that we made it, it's like they don't necessarily want to go higher. And there's been many attempts so far. There's been one attempt on Friday, January 19th, and they shot back down. And then we saw price trying to, like, buy back up. And shit, let me remove this because they did, and it's all done. Monday, January 22nd, that was 3 days ago, they tried it again and they failed. That's a failure swing. And that's why we got price selling here. So, of course, by Wednesday, I'm thinking we're going to just shatter to the floor. And what did they do? They swept me out. I almost said something else. Uh, they, woo, they swept me, and now we're just pretty much ranging in this area. All I know is the minute we really break past this point, I know GJ is probably going to be selling a little bit more to a demand that's closer to the bottom. But I ain't traded GJ since last Wednesday's supply zone that they stopped me out of. Thing is, if I stayed awake till 5 like I was supposed to, I mean, honestly, I went to sleep back at 5. I was like, enough with this. My fingers went to take the cell and I just fell asleep. My willpower was like, bro, it's okay, bro. Just go back to sleep. I want to take my chance. Like, nah, bro, it's not worth it, man. It's okay. And so I just took my L and I went to sleep. But so where is GJ now? We can see that GJ is losing steam from those highs, right? And so now we had, what did we have? I did pull up in London today too. I didn't see anything I liked. I went back to sleep. And so times like these, I like to pay attention to when did the market really give something. All right. So between 5:30, we saw price made it here to 6:30, made it back here above London, See, this is new information. I didn't even get to see this until now. And so by 8:15, finally, price once it mitigated, it sold off and gave a good ass setup. Wow, it gave a good setup. And if Siobhan is still here, how long did that take? Is Siobhan here? Guys, can you see how long did that move take? When I'm back testing, all this information matters to me. I hope y'all really appreciating this because this is the type of deep, you know, layer that I do with my private students. You know, y'all really lucky right now. 45 minutes. Thank you, Luxon. Vita, thank you. I like Nas. Big profit. I missed one. Okay. So it took 45 minutes. So when you feel like, oh wow, when you feel like you're impatient as a trader, you need to find yourself in a corner and figure out like how long do my setups last typically, or how long is an average time of wait that I can give a trade to play out. To me, 45 minutes is usually a pretty good time. It's like a trade is gonna give you what it needs to give you at least between 30 to 45 minutes if it's a good setup that plays right away. I see that the sweet time for most trades, intraday trades, is 45 minutes. So there you have it. Here's another gem. And I've been trading long enough to know that I don't even be mad too much nowadays if I missed a setup. I'll probably be like, ah man, what the hell? And then I get over it. Because look, ain't that US 30? There goes US 30. There go your mans right back to this area at 10:35. So can you imagine you were like deep in profit and you didn't secure? And you were up 163 points on your phase one or phase two. That's what I was saying, guys. I study these habits and behaviors of the market all the time so I can show y'all, even as I'm talking, I'm casually just dropping these gems, but we're literally seeing it unfold right in front of our eyes. Because the same way you're watching a good basketball game, some people are upset, excited, and then there are people who are analytics based. Like they're watching and they're picking it up. They're seeing the behavior. They're seeing how, LeBron or, you know, uh, your favorite athlete, whatever. I don't Joel Embiid, shout out to Joel, dropping 70 points. God damn. Boy. And look where they went back to. I'm not surprised. Are you? Y'all knew Jalen Brown found out Joel Embiid dropped 70 points. And the next night, that brother said, all right, watch this. Dropped 76 points. Jalen Brown is a bad man. Bad man. But they own some ish. But yeah, like, don't stay loyal to no positions that you can close and call it a good day, guys. If you're in some trades by like 9:45, 10, and it's getting to that 10:30, bruh, make sure you're doing some type of decision, you know? Because look, now we back here again. Wouldn't that upset you? I'm pretty sure that upsets a lot of you guys because it happens to me too. Who's winning MVP this season for football or basketball? Because if you say football, I'm a hey, I'm gonna just tell you like this. I'm from Palm Beach County, Florida. All right, you put two and two together on who's killing the game here. Who's the only player who got his mama as his manager for the 267 million deal in Baltimore. All right, you feel me? But as far as NBA, I don't know, man. I don't know who. It's a lot of it's a lot of great it's a lot of this year there's a lot of unexpected things that's going on this year. I wouldn't say it's LeBron for sure. I would not say it's LeBron. Whoever's carrying their team the best to the NBA, everybody's going to account for that because there's been plenty times being considered MVP. There are a lot of uh, things to consider. We got how many points are they winning for their team? How many close calls that they actually finished and won? How many home games? How many away games when it mattered the most? The most. I'm thinking about clutch in my head. You know, on average, are they better in the rim or outside the perimeter? So then you got Joel dropping 70 and Jalen Brown, I mean, in one night, but that's not enough. So, what do you think, bro? Drop 76 saying he could do better. That's hard. All right, so let's check with gold here. Okay, so gold went and pretty much retested. Where did we retest here? Wednesday, 10:45. Okay, so this sensitive area was a market open from Wednesday. Okay, I can see that. So, well, gold buys, makes it to supplies, and we're still maintaining this structure. So we will consider this a retracement that was complete. And if a person is interested in taking sells, I would definitely advise you to wait for another slight pullback, and then now that we know where to best place the stop loss, above 2025, I would give the market. Uh, I was telling myself this joke. I was like, man, sometimes I'm like, oh, you want my stop loss, huh? Go get it. Put my stop loss with good breathing room. Like, yeah, man, you gonna have to work for my stop loss. You know what I'm saying? So I wouldn't put no 81 pip stop loss, right? But if price pulled back by like 2022 for some reason, then then I would gladly take that trade and put my stop loss maybe at 2027, just to give it enough breathing room. I I've been a sniper many times in my life. I don't always have to feel like, oh, if it's not a 5 pip stop loss, I don't want, I'm not with that no more, bro. Like, if I can find a really good trade, the conditions are met, and I know why putting that stop loss there is the most safe, like it's the safest thing to do. I'm gonna do that. So, go cool, Vicky. Go cool, Vicky said back $1,500 today. Yes. I don't know if I should say sir, but yes, trader. Let's go. I like that. I like that. What's your Instagram? What's your Instagram? I give you a follow. Shooters shoot. Give you a follow. All right. Here are some of the people that stood out to me today. Can't can't go wrong with Trader. Congratulations, you are worthy of a 25K giveaway today, Trader. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations. Go cool Vicky, drop your Instagram. The person who won the giveaway today is Trader. Trader, what was the name before again? Drop your Instagram as well, so I can tell you how to get your giveaway. Yeah, yeah, Vita. All right, Vicky underscore VT. Now we finna find out the face behind the name, cause y'all be throwing me off, man. Vicky underscore VT 43. Zero posts. Really? Oh my god. So what is it with the internet? We just want to stay anonymous? What anime character is this? Oh my god. Vicky underscore VT 43. This is you, right? Oh my lord. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't follow you, man. Y'all don't be having no faces or nothing on these profile. Like, yo, how do we get to know one another? Like, what is this, man? Don't be scared. Ah, Big Ben FX. I'm gonna follow you back though. But you're gonna have to start having some posts, bro. What is this, man? No posts yet. Come on. We want to see some posts. We want to see some posts. Even if it's a motivational post. Like, why y'all be scared to show y'all? Y'all know something about the internet that I don't. Shit, maybe I should turn off all my profile pictures and everything. Like, how would y'all know who Hans is? How would y'all know? And then sometimes y'all come in and we finally meet him. Oh my God, Sir Hans Field. I'm like, hey, who the hell is this? Who is this? Oh, I'm Big Ben. Ah, Big Ben. You 5'6", brother. You 5'6", brethren. What? You know what? Like, like, bruh, come on, man. How are this, Big Ben? That's you. But congratulations, trader. Oh, you're new to Fortunes Funding. Good, good. Trader 46676. I already know this ain't gonna have no pictures in there. Man, let me see. 46676. My God. Bruh. Is this really you? Yo, what is up with this, y'all? Bro, y'all need to have some personality online. When I see stuff like this, I'm scared to hit follow back because I'm thinking this must be one of them burner scammer accounts. Not to say you are. I'm saying like the internet is a scary place for real, for real. If I'm trying to put a face behind who is it that's trying to follow me and I see nothing, no engagement, no following, no followers, and it's like, is this really you? It makes me feel uneasy because I'm like, is this one of those bot accounts? Like if there's no personality behind it, it makes me feel uneasy. So I'm just gonna, you know, write your message. But yeah, y'all not y'all. The internet, you're doing it wrong. Okay, reach out. All right. Yeah, you guys gotta do better, bro. Privacy. All right, I'm gonna put my Instagram on private then. No more photos for y'all. Yeah, go take a passport photo, bro. God damn. Shit, nigga, man. Be giving bot vibes for real, bro. Be giving NPC vibes, bro. Like, getting me feeling old, paranoid. But y'all see this, right? When my light goes out, that means I done been on this live too long. All right, just kidding. We back. But let me see. All right, let me check some of my pairs for EU. Golly, EU. Oh, you so. EU and GU had me feeling some type of way yesterday. I'm like, oh shoot. Oh, we binding. Oh, okay. But whole time, they were just false rallies. And now we still maintaining structure. So this goes back to gold. Mm-hmm. If I'm gonna get in gold now, that is definitely the circumstance. Oh man, bro, guess who's selling like crazy right now? U.S. dirty 30. All right, can't worry about that. Going back to gold before we lose a good trade. Mm-hmm. Oh, hey, gold is on the move. So clearly that U.S. Um, yep, that PMI is still definitely showing us what's going on. So yeah, 2019. I could put a $6 trade for this account. Okay, so I'm in position with gold with big breathing room because, and I didn't put my biggest lot size on just in case I see things moving well. I could add more positions, but my stop loss is currently at 2026.5 because if EU melting like this, huh? Good lord, good lord, and Nas is melting like this. Oh, no, not yet. Not yet, huh? Not yet, huh? Did we catch you at an early convenience? Oh, what time is it? 10:52. Oh, okay. That was 9:25. That was pre-market open. Well, market open. Price swept already. Okay, we have about what 40 points in stop loss. I'll take that trade too. I definitely take that trade. Wow, what a shame. I almost didn't see your ass. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh, I got just the lot size for you. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, sir. Come here, baby. Come here. I was waiting for you. Okay. Do you see the switch from speculator to executioner? Yeah, yeah. That's what y'all need to understand. All right. So, this is what we got going on, huh? Almost 11. Gonna give you some good breathing room just in case you want to act funny. All right. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Hmm. All right. Hmm. Hey. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. I'm gonna give you some time and see what we do. Gonna give it some time and see what we do. All right. And you, gold, how we doing? Tracing a little bit. Okay. No problem. And you, US 30, how we doing? Oh, you melting like crazy. Okay. Okay. How many points is this already? Oh, 190. Okay. All right. And I guess this is all because of the very, very crazy numbers of manufacturing PMI reacting to this market. So one thing I don't like about Nas is, it likes to be like, yeah, I don't care. I don't care. I'm still bullish. It's like, bro, come on. Stop acting funny, bro. You're the little brother. Do what you need. Do what you're supposed to do. Just for laughs. But uh, what is this? We swept. I'm really gonna see today if Nas is not going to sell off while this is going on. I'm for real finna see. I'm here for it. Let's see. It's almost 11 too. So we could see some really crazy. Okay, gold is still fighting. But meanwhile, EU is selling off. GU is selling off. And all this weird price action that we were seeing, and then all of a sudden, 10:30, 11, they sneak into the bottom. Okay, so now let's see what happened with US 30. I mean, with Nas. Talking about US 30. This is what I like about Nas. Always putting up a fight. You could fight all you want, but let's see what happens at 11. 11:30. FX Jenks, you better hold those cells on EU. Good shit. Good shit. Uh, GJ will go to 196. Look at the daily. I'll look at that later. You go ahead and drop that analysis. I think you already did, but yeah. I don't know about 196 just yet, but maybe. I'm not going to deny your analysis. That's very interesting, but I think that's a monthly supply. But that could be possible. I heard if they changing up the rates system in Japan, hey, we might. But I think before we see a 196, we're definitely gonna have a deep retracement before a new higher high. You gotta have a higher low. All right, you missed the trade. How? Holding buys on Nas. Whew, good luck. What a great live we're having. Mel, I'm not gonna check out GJ right now, fam. Not even gonna not even gonna hold you. We're on the indices. Anyways, I'm in these Nas sales until 11:40, 11:30, 11:30. Like giving that trade good 45 minutes or something like that. But let me check gold though. Okay, gold is doing a little retracing. You, no problem. Okay, now I can check GJ for a little bit. Um, so I think I forget who just said they are in buys for Nas. I don't deny that. You know, I don't. On the higher time frame, yeah, Nas is a tough cookie holding it down. I'm just trying to see if they're not gonna clear this low at least. You know, uh, no one wants to buy Nas higher. I don't. Like institutions don't seem to be wanting to buy Nas, especially with this news that just dropped with high PMI. So I think with fundamentals we could go to a much cheaper price, find more demand. Uh, but like, why would we break and make another new high? I don't know. Well, that's why I'm sticking to seeing like if we're gonna retrace at least to the downside. But one thing for sure, it's like the powers that it'd be a lot of pressure between buyers and sellers. It's like there's a legit fight, So let me see what areas of interest that I can target better. Well, we do have 830 price action was right here. Ugh, tough times to be a trader, though. I'm not gonna lie. Very, very fidgety price action. Yeah, you see, that's the thing I'll be saying about the volume. But hey, if we swept market highs, I'm willing to give this trade a chance to see. And typically, if price sweeps the market open highs, then we have a chance of seeing them go back to pre-market lows. So we'll see. We'll see. Image drop in chat. You guys stay the course. All right, bro. Talk to you later. Let me see what chat you talking about. Yeah, I'm just trying to see where. Oh, my brother Lawrence dropped his analysis. Oh, that's tough. I didn't know TradingView, when you send a link now, it's still like a live link. That's cool. Yeah, I like the analysis, Lawrence. Good stuff, bro. Damn it, I did not want this in the show. Ah, it was a loss. Let me go check what GJ doing. Yeah, like they'll drop quick and bounce as quick, just as quick too. Yeah, like sometimes I just walk away for real. Just whatever happens, what will be. Because paying attention to it every second does bring anxiety. It does. You see what I'm talking? Look at this. And believe me, they know exactly where the stop losses are, and they'll go grab it and then sell off. Meanwhile, like your analysis be damn right, and then they'll literally go exactly there because a lot of stop losses are exactly there. So I've been noticing the manipulations, boy. Like you have goals for 2024, but understand that the market makers do too, and the technologies and the chat GPTs. I think we are dealing with the strongest algorithms nowadays. The strongest algorithms nowadays. Like quant trading and all these things. I think in the future, manual trading is really gonna suffer a hard time. I really do. I think manual trading is gonna suffer a hard time. But we still have break, retest, break, retest. We'll see. Yeah, because trader stop losses are sweeter. You can feel the intentional price movement of what goes on now. You can feel it. This is a dangerous moment in a trader's life. I'm getting up to the bathroom. I'll be right back. All right. Did they hit my stop loss? Nah, that's not how you win. That's not how you win giveaways. Good try, go cool Vicky. I call the signal. I call the signal.
DJ, doing my video and whatnot. And yeah, because like the first thing I do, I like to watch, see what liquidity is at, see if I got any unmitigated territories or zones and whatnot. So I looked at Gigi when I first woke up this morning. I seen that she had a 15-minute and a 5-minute imbalance with a change of character, unmitigated with liquidity. Around 8:15, she tapped into that zone and she fucking sold the fuck off. So what I was doing as I was trading, I was trying to anticipate a reversal. So what I realized is that instead of anticipating a reversal, right, out of the zone or area of interest of the opposing side, not look for a reversal as price is going against you. So like now I just gotta do it the opposite. Instead of looking for reversal when price is trending, I look for the reaction to get in once I miss my sniper entries. And that's the shit I got for today. And I was just thinking to myself, it was just like I having an aha mode. I'm like, I know you like counter trending, but go with the trend now. Look at GJ now. Look at that shit that you marked up this morning. Look where it got you, right? And look where.
Okay. Well, gold is selling. In other news, gold is selling. So there's that. All right. Well, I'm not gonna hold on to. Let me see something. Yeah, gold is doing very well so far. So far, I'm in good trades for gold. But let's check with the indices real quick. All right, so US 30, US 30, slowing down a little bit. But Nas, we're just feeling exactly like yesterday when they bought, hyped it, hyped it, and then oh shoot, it sold. You know, like, and then all you get in your text message chats is like, "Yo, bro, what the hell?" You know, Nas, like, what? Huh? What happened? Yeah, it sold. And you're like, bro, what? Bro, what? So that's why, like, sometimes you just gotta stick to these ugly ass charts, man. You just don't know what can happen once you just give up on the setup. As soon as you get up, you get You give up on the setup, and then they do you dirty. So sometimes I just be holding. Yeah, price has been whacked. All these shitty price action, man. 2020, yeah. 2024. Yeah, it'd be some years when trading in the charts are not as favorable. Sometimes it's just intraday trading. Sometimes it's not as favorable. Eh, ah, eh, ah. Eh, eh, ah. That's when you stuck in some bullshit. Oh, put off the lights again. Really, Jaquel? Let me go check. Ah, they are buying this shit. Bruh, you know what, man? Shit. Go to mine T5, bruh. Stuck in some E-highs. With US, what up, with Nas. And so I tell you guys, it's not easy out here, bro. E, ah, e, ah. I don't know what the fuck they want. Alright, I'm switching the TV channel, bro. Alright. Anyways, US 30 is gold is melting. I took the sell on gold. As you guys know, took it at 21. Let me go check. Oh no. Yeah. Like 2021.6. Yeah. Excuse me. But yeah, bro. If you've been taking losses or it's just not This is typically what you expect from price to make when it makes it to a supply zone, not this. But what we think we know is contingent upon the volume that's there. Like if they want it to be bullish internally, they're gonna make it bullish internally. Until people just can't hang no more in front of the computers, and then that's when they're gonna drop it. You know, like if they can see volume decrease, increase, liquidity, what sensitive areas, like it's not fair. They call themselves smart money, but it's a aha thing because they're not smart. They just see everything. You know, they're smart money or dumb money because, I mean, if I knew 3 million trades were right there above 17,624, like how smart do I need to be to just be like, yo, push the volume right there? You know, it's really not that deep. You don't have to be that smart. You work for an institution that collected everybody's data from every platform, from Coinbase to Robinhood to everything. Like, you know, and then they think they're slick. They call one corporation BlackRock, they call the other corporation Blackstone, and then they just connect all the PC servers everywhere. They call up. They decide when the sessions are, so they know exactly when to put it, when to get in, when to have everybody expect something, and yeah, and here we at there we have it. I guarantee you, there's a lot of volume of stop losses that were like, ah man, forget this, and then they're like, oh yeah, forget this, great, all right, now you can drop it. You know, like there's real psychological um like you know when a toxic person really wants you to feel their pettiness. Yeah. hmm So you just gotta be careful, man. And then you gotta just get really comfortable with the whole loss thing, because one thing you're gonna have to keep doing is trying. You know, I thought I had cells in front of me, but not. You know, so invalid trade for me, but valid trade for gold for me, and I'm gonna close my gold cells. Nice. So what do we have here, Nas? What do we have here? When did we like get so slow in the markets? When? Anyways, guys, I don't care what volume picks up in the next 20 to 15 or 40 minutes. I don't even care anymore what happens next year. You know, uh, when you make a decision and you're like, yo, you know what, I'm done. Whatever happens next, don't be so upset because you're gonna need to come back another day. You know, don't get too caught up. Don't get too caught up. But I think I gave you guys a good session. Uh, yeah, he's saying Vicky going crazy. Vicky. Let me see. Vicky, drop a selfie with you in the charts in the Discord, in the market discussion Discord. Laura once said when you look at your biggest. Whoa. What was this? Nah, trading view, you playing games. All right, so if you are in front of your computer, guys, and you feel like taking a selfie, drop it in the let me see. Where's that chat? So many damn channels. Yeah. Drop it in the lifestyle. The lifestyle let me show y'all something. I'm not sure if you guys peeped this. Oh my god. I want to get to know you guys more. So, on the lifestyle clips, what is drop a couple videos, man. Drop a couple, just keep a few positive words or something. Y'all be choosing weird Instagram names and not putting no pictures or nothing. Like, I gotta get a little more. Y'all gotta be less. What's the word? Introverted, yo. Y'all gotta live a little. All right. So, but guys, I just say all this just to tell you, like, keep it up. Keep it up. I check from time to time. I see the general chats. Oh my god. Oh, there it is. Damn. All right. So yeah, definitely show some love and would love to see you guys more often. Just get to know y'all. All right. So okay, guys. Here's you. Here's you right now. This is all you guys. Shout out to Gokul Vicky. You know, Gold is doing gold things, and Nas is doing Nas things. Still maintaining bullish structure, and US 30 is just right in the middle. So yeah, can't worry about these guys, man. All right, y'all. Peace, love, and blessings. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great, great, great rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon.